want to race with somebody, you have to tell the person that you need a head start.
Yep.
So,
let's do a race. We'll get through the YouTuber. Hi guys! Well, yesterday, as you know, was the big historic winter storm Jonas, and now I'm playing in the snow today. These snow pants are the only ones I have that even go close with this, but honestly, they don't go together at all. So, yeah.
And here we have a good neighbor. Sean? What a good guy. Just wanted to show you what a good neighbor looks like.
Show the path he did.
Yeah, I'm going to show you the path he did. Man, I tell you, I think he saved us from a heart attack. It's unbelievable. This guy is really nice. You know, your father is a really nice guy, Nicole, Jessica.
Now, we are flooding down this big hill that,
I made. No, we both made.
her dad just plowed it, and it went to the big
And so fun.
Wait, watch me do it backwards.
And the snow just went down my back.
All right, let me get out of the way.
Right? True. And now I'm freezing. Oh my.
What are you making, Dad? Pizzas? Yeah, it's our English muffin pizza recipe.
Because she had no snow on her.
Meanwhile, I got snow on my sweatshirt.
Go put your, honey, listen. I want your slippers on because the floor's wet and the only thing you do is...
Yeah, so now I'm inside just for a little while. It's like 1 o'clock. Probably be back out in a half hour.
Set, go! Stuck. Yeah!
Hi!
Now we have 4 sledding ramps, and we're sledding down all of them. Keep recording because we're gonna keep sledding.
It's freezing. This is it.
One here. That one is a small one.
You're gonna have to come closer.
No, I have slippers on.
Is the big one. This one's the biggest of all, and that's the steep one. The steep one is hard to get down, so when you want to race with somebody, you have to tell the person that you need a head start.
Yep.
So
Let's do a race. We'll get through the YouTuber.
I'm going to go here, and we're going to race each other.
All right.
Are you ready to race?
Hey, do you want to race onto the road?
No, Julie.
JK.
Okay, ready, set, go! So she's still down there.
I did it. I slid it down.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Okay, it's on. Only for a minute. Come on.
We're doing snowy dolls.
Look at mine. So yeah, we've been playing in the snow for like 3 hours now. Whee! And we were burying each other in the snow, but someone got in the way of that. I won't mention any names. Italy.
Okay, say goodbye.
Bye.
Beautiful sunset outside. It's so pretty. I mean, it's even prettier in person. So she can either take a sick day, like where she works from home, personal day, or go to work. What are you doing?
I'm going to another clinic, so I don't take that stupid Long Island Railroad. Because I can't take that Long Island Railroad! Now don't put that on. I'm goofing on you.
Yeah. Well, good luck to you, Daisy.
Thank you.
I hope everything goes well.
Me too.
You have anything to say before I shut it off?
No, I'm just tired, Julie.
Yeah. So, now we're up here in Jennifer's little apartment area. What are you doing up here? Dad.
What? Watching some football. Broncos and Patriots in the AFC Championship.
Who are you for?
I'm working for the Broncos with Peyton Manning.
I remember today, him and our next door neighbor were talking about, like, he liked the Patriots and he liked the Broncos. And they were fighting about it the way two people would fight about politics. It was hilarious. Like, conservative versus liberal. Who's winning?
Broncos.
Good for you. I don't care. Well, unfortunately, I think I'm coming down with something. For the last couple of days, I have been feeling a little sick. But at first I just thought it was because there was dry, hot air from the radiator. And that I sleep with my mouth open. But it turns out that I'm really sick because now I'm tired. I mean, look at my face. Oh.
Oh my God! I'm a mermaid! I'm growing a tail! It's all green. I hope they don't put me in a can of tuna fish.
This is Mako Mermaids from Disney Channel. Proceed. Dad.
I already did it. That's it. You got it. Whatever you got.
No
you got
more
it.
jokes.
Oh, good. Let's see what that one looks like. Oh my God! I'm a mermaid! I'm growing a tail! It's all green. I hope they don't put me in a can of tuna fish.
Thanks for watching.